Hello, hello. Well, this is a sad day. I failed so many things. Nothing works. I spent like 1000 divines on this build trying to
Am I not
go
strong enough
Riani.
as
Like
I
my Merc
am?
alone has like 150 divines worth of gear. And me trying. I just want to make this charge work. But I think I can make it work. I just need more currency. And I am broke. I've spent like 1000 divine. This is all I got left. I missed an incredible ring today, and I'm pretty bummed about that. So I hope that 150 Valdos just gonna give me something good. I bought this for 100 divine like a few days ago. I think now they are even more expensive. So I'm just going to open them. Sacrifice nothing, nothing, nothing. What was glorious vanity? Come on now. Wow, these are sad. Okay, blind vision. Wow. Okay, so this is a bunch of trash. The sublime vision. It's actually an easy one, so it should sell very, very nicely. So that should be probably like 70 divine or something. That is cool. That is good. Marvelous. Watch your side. Whoa! A non-voided mage blood. Yeah, nice. Some luck. Some luck. Non-voided mage blood. This one is cool. Forbidden flame. So it's already a big profit. Big profit. Replica Alberon Warpaths. What? Do people still use Alberon Warpath? Wow, was such an insane item at some point. Yes. Okay, this is good. Promise. A disfavor. Nice, it's foiled. Probably has no value, but it's nice. Sent from Flash. And oh, Crest of Desire. People still use this. Was Baldwin. Red. Romance. And the last few. Mark. I don't even know what that is. Relentless. Well, at least I feel a bit lucky. It's not a lot profit, but it's quite good. It's I have so many of these. Yes, yes, yes. So one Forbidden Flame, and this one I don't know if it has any value. Sublime Vision and Mage Blood. Both easy to do. That means they will sell for max profit. Cool, cool, cool. This is first time I get a Mage Blood. This league I got the Progenesis from Valdo's, but now a Mage Blood feels good. It's a shame my build sucks and I can't do it. Otherwise I would do it. Yeah, and it's a Phase Reflect. It's yeah. I would actually do it on my Retaliate build if I had it, as I don't do any physical damage. It's quite cool.